What's up guys? In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to make a TikTok video private. Now, if you've posted a couple of videos on TikTok, then you might want to make one or two of those videos private, even though your TikTok account is public. So to do that, simply tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner, and then find the video you want to make private, tap on it to open it, and then you're going to tap on the three dots on the right hand side. And from the menu that pops up, you want to slide to the left until you see privacy settings. Tap on that, and then here under who can watch this video, you can see it's currently set to everyone because my account is public. You can tap on that and choose only me, and that basically means that TikTok video will be private from here henceforth. And that's it. You can now close, and that video is now private. Now when you make a TikTok video private, it will disappear from your profile page. But if you go to your profile and then tap on this padlock icon right there, you should see all your private videos on TikTok right there. And that's basically how to make a TikTok video private. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.